Welcome back to the channel. I'm David Sugarman, and I'm here to help you learn English in a simple, fun, and useful way. Today, we're talking about something that confuses a lot of learners: used to versus am used to. And these two phrases look similar, but they actually mean very different things. So, I want to go over that very shortly. And I also want you to remember that this video is part of a full series. So if you've been learning with me or one of my teachers, it's a great way to review and build on what you've already learned, whether you're studying one-on-one in a group class or using these videos to study on your own. We're here to help you stay on track and keep improving. And remember, if you want more practice, I've got extra exercises on my website at davidenglish.info. And they're designed to go perfectly with these lessons and help you learn even faster. So, all right, let's jump in and master used to and am used to. Let's start with used to, meaning something you did regularly in the past, but don't do now. This is the form. It's subject plus used to plus base verb. Examples: I used to live in Spain, but I don't anymore. She used to eat meat. Now she's vegetarian. Am used to, meaning you are accustomed to something now. That's the form subject plus am is an are plus used to plus noun or verb ing. Examples: I am used to waking up early. It's normal for me now. She is used to the cold weather. It means that she doesn't mind it. Here are the key differences. The expression used to, it's in the past, and it's something no longer true, followed by base verb, go and eat, for example. Another one is am used to, it's in the present, something you are familiar with, and it's going to be followed by noun or verb ing. So now I'm going to quiz you. Complete the sentences and choose the correct form. Number 1, is it I used to run 5 miles every morning? I am used to running 5 miles every morning, or I run 5 miles every morning? The answer is I used to run 5 miles every morning. Let's go to number 2. They used to working late on Fridays. They are used to working late on Fridays. They am used to working late on Fridays. Which one do you think is the right answer? Go with B. They are used to working late on Fridays. Number 3, it's a question. Are you used to traveling new countries every summer? Are you used to traveling new countries every summer? Used to traveling to new countries every summer. What's the answer? Are you used to traveling to new countries every summer? A. That's the answer. Number 4, she be the best player on the team. Is it she is used to be the best player on the team? Is it she was used to be the best player on the team? Or is it she used to be the best player on the team? I am going to go with C. She used to be the best player on the team. She no longer is. Number 5, we. Let's go with this. Is it we used to go to the beach every weekend? Is it we are used to go to the beach every morning? Or is it C, we used to go to the beach every weekend? What do you think? I'm going to go with A. We used to go to the beach every weekend. Now, guys, if you want to do more practice, you can go to davidenglish.info and you can see this exercise under used to, and you'll be able to do more practice. Let's continue, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way I can help change more people's lives, and share this with a friend. Number 6, he. Is it he used to play soccer every weekend? Is it he used to play soccer every weekend? Or is it he used play soccer every weekend? I'm going to go with A. He used to play soccer every weekend. Number 7, is it I used to staying up late? Is it I am used to staying up late? Or is it I used to stay up late? I'm going to go with B, and I'm going to say I am used to staying up late, meaning that it's like a regular thing and I'm accustomed to it. Number 8, it's a question. Is it are you used to going for walks in the park? Do you used to go for walks in the park, or used to go for walks in the park? I'm going to go with A. Are you used to going for walks in the park? Number 9, they are used to be best friends in the high school. They were used to be best friends in high school, or is it they used to be best friends in high school? I'm going to go with C. They used to be best friends in high school. Number 10, is it we used to eat dinner at 6 p.m.? Is it we are used to eat dinner at 6 p.m.? Or is it we used to eat dinner at 6 p.m.? I'm going to go with A. We used to eat dinner at 6 p.m. Guys, you're doing great. Keep going. This is how you get better. It's more practice and more practice and more practice. Repetition, repetition, repetition. Now, at this time, we're working on rephrasing the sentence using used to. Okay? So, in the past, number 11, in the past, children played outside more often. Let's rephrase it. The answer is children used to play outside more often. Number 12, she lived in Paris for 5 years. Let's rephrase it. She used to live in Paris for 5 years. 13, they always went camping during the summer. Can you rephrase it for me? They used to go camping during the summer. That's the answer. Number 14, he collected stamps when he was a kid. Can you rephrase it for me? He used to collect stamps when he was a kid. Number 15, we watched that show every Saturday. We used to watch that show every Saturday. Very good. Let's continue to the last 5. Again, I want us to rephrase the sentence using used to. Number 16, my grandparents had a farm in the countryside. The answer is my grandparents used to have a farm in the countryside. Number 17, she was very shy in her youth. The answer is she used to be very shy in her youth. Number 18, they often visited their relatives on holidays. They used to visit their relatives on holidays. 19, he played the piano when he was younger. He used to play the piano when he was younger. Number 20, we drank soda every day back then. Let's rephrase it. We used to drink soda every day back then. So in the comments, you can share with me here on the YouTube channel, share the things you used to do, and then also share the things you are used to doing. Write them down in the comments and I can check you. Now I'm going to read off the answers to you. Number 1, I used to run 5 miles every morning. 2, they are used to working late on Fridays. 3, are you used to traveling to new countries every summer? 4, She used to be the best player on the team. 5. We used to go to the beach every weekend. 6. He used to play soccer every weekend. 7. I am used to staying up late. 8. Are you used to going for walks in the park? 9. They used to be best friends in high school. 10. We used to eat dinner at 6 p.m. 11. Children used to play outside more often. 12. She used to live in Paris for 5 years. 13. They used to go camping during the summer. 14. He used to collect stamps when he was a kid. 15. We used to watch that show every Saturday. 16. My grandparents used to have a farm in the countryside. 17. She used to be very shy in her youth. 18. They used to visit their relatives on holidays. 19. He used to play the piano when he was younger. And 20. We used to drink soda every day back then. I just want to say that you're doing amazing and keep going. And again, you can do more exercises at my website, davidenglish.info. For more information, visit and follow my social media accounts. Bye for now.
Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.